glow. He's gonna look so cool at night. Oh no, careful.
Oh.
Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
So, what do we have?
We have inflatable.
Oh my god, guys. So we got all of these inflatables. Look at how many there are. Aaron has his siren head and his little pop things. And Penny's here to help.
But Penny's so hyper.
She's being very hyper. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Seasonblow inflatables to inflate. Which one do you want to open first, Aaron?
The unicorn.
All right, let's see what it looks like. Come on.
The unicorn with the pumpkin.
With the pumpkin.
You want to see what it looks like in color?
Let's see what it looks like. All right, so we have the anchors.
The backs.
What does this come with? Hold on. All right, so it comes with this bag that you're supposed to fill with water in order to weigh the inflatable down. That's pretty good. That keeps the shipping light.
Can we do this after?
Yeah, we'll fill it up. Oh, there's 2 of them. All right, so these guys are supposed to fill up and weigh down the inflatable. Oh my gosh, I can already tell he's super colorful.
Yeah, but I see the orange. That's the pumpkin.
Oh, how adorable. All right, where's the plug? There is the plug. All right. Here is a plug.
Yeah, does it have 4 sides?
It has a bunch of options. There it goes. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty the tail is.
There's the fan.
There is the fan, so we're waiting for this smaller inflatable to inflate.
Yeah, but I'm trying to make a fan out so I get free.
Wow, this one is pretty big, even though, you know, it's considered like a smaller one, but it's... All right, here is the unicorn in the pumpkin. Oh, how cute. This looks like a 5-footer.
What is it doing? What is it doing? It's a girl, I think.
It's a girl?
Yeah, because of the eye.
Oh, look at her little face. How adorable.
It won't stand.
All right, so these will not stand because they don't have any weights inside. So we have to
So we're gonna
do these weights. So we'll do that. All right, so you just put water inside.
Yeah.
All right, so we have these weights ready to go. So we're gonna put some in the inflatable in the zipper. So let me do that. Yeah. All right, so the weight is in there. And I zip it up.
That's a little better.
And there she is, weighted down. The ground is a little uneven. But there she is. Which one's next? All right, let's unbox the ghost.
Oh my god, it looks...
He looks like a rainbow ghost. All right, accidentally tore the box.
Yeah, that's fine.
So you get the directions and the anchors. And a little thank you. Let's see. Yeah, these are like water bags. And there it is.
I'll be right down here. Why is it rolled up?
There it is. There's the fan.
I'm gonna do the face.
He's really long. Goes all the way around you. All right, let's plug him in and see what he looks like.
Oh my...
He's plugged in.
Very good. Oh look, I see the lights already.
And there it is. Whoa, check him out.
Not really big,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
oh! Little nuts.
Next to the unicorn. All right, you can see his eyes glow. He's gonna look so cool at night. Oh no, careful.
Ah!
All right, so the this is what the bag looks like after you fill it up. It self-seals, and then you open it from the zipper in the bottom and put it in there.
Just throw it in there.
All right, it just goes in there. And we just pick them up. You know, we need to wait for night to see this guy like really look cool. All right, up next is the sign that says spooky. So I'm excited to see this one.
It glows too.
There are the anchors.
I don't think it has a pad.
All right, check it out.
What do they
Excited to see this guy in action. He's also one that we're gonna need to see him at night. So this one does not have any additional water weights. It seems like it's already weighted down. So we're gonna plug it in and see what it looks like. You can see how it's colorful.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Cool. Uh-oh, the S is twisted up.
Where's the rain helping?
I don't know. Oh my god, guys, look how cool this looks. Spooky. I bet you it looks so cool at night. So this is another awesome one that we're going to wait at night to see what it looks like without, you know, the sun out. So far we have these three guys up. So next, and last but not least, it's the train.
Oh yeah.
All right, here's the train.
I don't think it comes with one too.
Oh, this one has a different plug. Look.
Oh, cool. It has a different type of plug, so let's see what it looks like.
Really long.
Oh, it has like a base fan.
Kind of.
Like an exterior fan. That's awesome. It's gonna blow really well. Yeah, and fast.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the end of the train. So this is the front of the train. It's just you gotta unwind it. All right, so we turn this guy around. You can see the caboose is inflated. There goes the middle one with the skeleton in it. He's inflating. Oh, look, it has a cat on top.
I didn't know that.
And then the engine. So cute. So let's wait for it to get inflated all the way.
Wow. So cool.
Almost. All right, guys, here you can see this awesome Happy Halloween train. You can see the engine here with a little pumpkin on the top. Oh my gosh, look at the front of it. It has like that little front, I don't know what you would call on a train, a bumper. It has the wheels. There is Death. He's driving the train of Halloween inside of these pumpkins like Cinderella. This guy, he's a passenger. He looks really happy, probably because he wants to get home. And then here's the little kitty. She looks like she did not pay for a ticket. And then these three guys in the back in the caboose just partying. So this is an awesome train, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to show you what this awesome set of inflatables from Seasonblow looks like at night. So we'll show you that in just a minute. So we hope you like these inflatables from Seasonblow. You can visit their website. It'll be in the description.
No, Aaron.
Okay guys, check this out. Whoa, look at that ghost. It looks so cool, and the spooky sign is so cool. I love the light show in it. And this adorable little unicorn. Too precious. So this is what they look like at night. Look at that. That's amazing. It looks awesome. I'm so happy to add these to our collection. Let me know which one is your favorite during the day and which one is your favorite at night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.